I really love this. Like, so the way that it's shaped here with all the little balls, you can just pull those apart like this. It just separates. So you don't have to eat a whole donut. You can just have one little piece. When you chew and rip, the outside's super crispy, and the inside just starts to melt with the flavor. So good. Hey everyone, welcome back to San Antonio's best food vlog. It's Memorial Day and I have really been craving something sweet. It's more than just donuts. It's like funnel cake that has frosting on it and looks like a donut, but you can piece it apart and share with your friends. It's something you absolutely have to try. Not only that, you can get delicious milk teas here too, and sausage dogs made from the same donut batter. My name's Carl Silva, and this is Mochinut. So we're currently at the Mochinut in Stone Oak Parkway. Now there is a second location on Dezavala and I-10, just between I-10 and Vance Jackson, which is an equally delicious location, equally impressive atmosphere on the inside. But today, being in Stone Oak, let's talk a little bit about this neighborhood. Stone Oak used to be a vast ranch land just outside of San Antonio, Texas, and now you'll find a very, very stable community of affluent residences and gated communities where Stone Oak, as a city, as a neighborhood, takes very, very good care of all their medians, all the sides of the streets. Everything is clean and well put together here, and it's a major epicenter for business and medical. Stone Oak also has several very highly rated schools, high schools, elementary schools, and middle schools. If you're looking to move to San Antonio, Stone Oak might be a great place for you if you're looking for high quality schools, high quality neighborhood, clean, gated communities, and to be somewhere where everything that you want is immediately around you. Stone Oak is a very tight-knit community with grocery stores and restaurants and cafes and bars all within very short distance. Stone Oak has nightlife, Stone Oak has cafes and brunch spots for the weekend, and lots of nice boutiques in addition to a lot of the national brand stores that you'll find throughout the city. Real estate in Stone Oak is a little bit harder to come by these days. Right now, we only have 5 homes on the market, active on the market right now, 5 homes, which is odd because in the past 6 months, we've actually sold 84 homes in Stone Oak. The market has actually gone down quite a bit here in Stone Oak. And that's not the market in general as far as price is concerned, but inventory. Only 5 homes on the market isn't a lot, but having sold 84 homes in the past 6 months is. So again, that tells us a lot about where the market is headed. A lot less people are willing to sell their homes in Stone Oak currently. If you are able to find a home in Stone Oak, you'd possibly find a home in the $500,000 range. That's our average price point right now in Stone Oak. You'll also find really, really dense soil with great foundation. You'll find homes primarily built in the mid to late 90s, early 2000s. Most homes in Stone Oak you find, they're very well maintained and hold their value. So if you're looking to purchase a home in San Antonio, I would highly recommend the Stone Oak area, not just for the appreciation in the housing market here in this area, but because it's such a booming and stable community. With my buzzer going off.
Which brings us back to Mochinut. Today we were lucky enough to try several flavors on the menu. We had the chocolate drizzle with powdered sugar, we had the raspberry, and we had a kiwi with fruity pebbles on top. We also tried a couple of their rice dogs, which have the same batter they use with their donuts and crispy rice or other toppings on the outside.
This is the original rice dog, and I did 3 different types of toppings just to test it out. I have a spicy mayo, I have sriracha, and I have a sweet and sour sauce. That's the one I'm most excited for.
Other flavors I've enjoyed are the taro with the purple frosting, a straight chocolate frosting with the chocolate drizzle, as well as a strawberry frosting with fruity pebbles.
If you're in the Stone Oak area, make sure to check out Mochinut right here on the corner of Stone Oak Parkway and Huebner Road. Get as many Mochinuts as you can and definitely check out their rice dogs. Till next time, I'm Carl Silva with Silva Property Group. If you're looking for real estate in San Antonio, give us a call. We'll see you next week. Perfect. Perfect straw spot. That's good tea. Good Thai tea.